Have you ever watched a play that was first directed around 2000 years ago? Kudiyattam, a theatre form from Kerala, is one of the oldest surviving Sanskrit theatre forms in the world. In fact, UNESCO has declared Kudiyattam as a masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of the world. But Kudiyattam has few experts and even fewer students these days. Nepathya, near Cochin, is one of the few remaining centres that trains young students in Kudiyattam. Margi Madhu and Indu started this centre 13 years ago, and they've been training their students without charging any fees just to continue the art form. Today, Nepathya has 3 senior students who have been training here for 12 years. But to continue with Kudiyattam, these students need your help.
Their economic future is precarious. One might say that the very survival of this classical art is hanging by a thread.
All of us at Nepathya and Sahapedia ask for your help so these students, Yadu Krishnan, Rahul and Vishnu Prasad, can become torchbearers for Kudiyattam and Sanskrit theatre in the future.
Sahapedia is supporting Nepathya in this cause because we believe that sustaining our cultural expressions is absolutely vital, and Nepathya is a true center of excellence.
We would like to know more about this, to go deeper into it, but we are really worried about the future of this art form. We want to take this to the future generation.
With your help, if Nepathya can raise these funds, these students can take the final step in their long journey and learn Anguliyankam, the most demanding act of a Kudiyattam play that only a handful of artists have mastered.
അത്തരം നഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ഇത്തരം രംഗാവതരണങ്ങളെ നേപഥ്യയിലെ ഈ 3 വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളിലൂടെ തിരിച്ച് രംഗത്തേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവരികയും അതിലൂടെ ആ രംഗാവതരണങ്ങളെ നിലനിർത്തുകയും പുതിയ തലമുറയിലേക്ക് അത് കൈമാറുകയും ചെയ്യുക എന്ന് പറയുന്ന വലിയൊരു ലക്ഷ്യമാണ് എൻ്റെ മനസ്സിൽ ഉള്ളത്.
Now we are really facing a crisis. How we can make these youngsters continue in this art? It's not a small challenge, it's a big challenge. So we need all your support, and please come forward and help us.